not working max. Shiba. It's all Shiba's fault. It works on vertical. That's crazy, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
That's so weird.
Kind of weird.
Your microphone turned on?
Yeah, it is. It's
yeah.
Turned on.
All right. Okay. What's up? Well, we'll just try it the vertical. See what happens.
Kind of crazy because like we were in the mood, and right now.
Yeah. Oh well.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yep. Episode 1. Fuck it. Tired ass vertical format, dude. We don't even know if microphones are working and shit, dude. Either way.
I just hope
this is for you, Max.
It's on Max. Max Galloway.
This is Max. You ever saw that show Max Headroom, right? Back in the days?
No. What about?
It just made me think of Max. That's
Max.
all.
Yeah,
Max the Shiba guy.
Max the Shiba Inu guy.
Shiba Inu. I don't know what Shiba Inu Max has got.
So what do you think about Bitcoin?
Sucks. Nah, I'm just kidding. Doesn't suck. Nah, I mean, it's all right, dude. It's about, last time I checked, it was around 63,000. I guess it's a lot better. When I first got into crypto, I really believe when I first got into crypto, Bitcoin was around, well, it was about 5,000, 6,000. And then a couple months later, it dropped down into the 3,000 range. And Ethereum, when I first got into it,
like really first.
Ethereum was about $600 and something, but then it dropped down into the $100 range.
Wow.
Yeah.
I was earlier than you, bro. Because when I got in, Bitcoin was.
I got it in November 2017.
$400.
I got it in November 2017.
And Ethereum was 20. Litecoin was $1.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Wow.
And during that time, I had Coinbase. We were able to buy crypto using credit cards.
Yeah, I remember that.
I remember those days.
I remember that.
Anyway, yep, Bitcoin was kind of low right now, and we've talked about Bitcoin started to pump. But have you been looking at the charts lately?
Yeah, I look at the charts pretty much every day, except today. I'm gonna do some videos.
See something interesting?
No, I'm just kidding. Let's go back to that. I want to go back to that.
Oh yeah,
You got me thinking about back in the days. So I was part of that Kuvera, right? And they got me involved in this mining contract. I remember this motherfucking shit, dude.
You still have that Kuvera? Is that the Kuvera book?
No. That's
the booklet of Kuvera.
So I got this mining contract. I remember we were mining Ethereum, and Ethereum was down. One time Ethereum got down to like 60 something bucks, and then the company that was doing the mining, those motherfuckers, they sent an email to everybody saying that because Ethereum was so low, it wasn't profitable. We're gonna pause your mining. These motherfuckers, right? And then so they paused it for 6 months, and then Ethereum started going up, right? 100, because they said, oh, when Ethereum gets back to $200, we'll turn it back on. So then Ethereum gets to $200, and these motherfuckers didn't turn shit on, dude.
But the question is it really mining?
Yeah, it was mining. Yeah, it was really mining. We were getting deposits of Ethereum every week, man. Yeah, it was fucking
turned on like the mining machine.
Oh yeah, it was rock.
Oh, okay.
It was great. And then Ethereum went back up to 200, so everybody was like, hey, turn it back on. And they kept giving us this runaround shit. Well, needless to say, they never turned it back on and stole everybody's money.
Oh wow.
And that we were mining Ethereum. I was getting like a percentage of Ethereum every week, and it was crushing it, dude.
I remember Kuvera, they were doing like a weekly thing here in the valley.
Oh yeah, they were. I was part of them doing presentations. They got me sucked into that, dude. They got me sucked into that, dude. I was doing presentations. They were bringing people down. They're talking about fucking mining and
At
buying a mining machine, and
McAllen Chamber, Edinburgh Chamber.
they were fucking rolling.
Oh, yeah, I remember
I
those.
was like talking too because I was just learning about crypto.
Yep, talking about crypto,
we had the money.
Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Like, okay. I was just listening because, like, okay, because I've been Bitcoin at a very early stage, and they've been talking about mining and investing into Bitcoin. So that was interesting because learning that here in the valley, but it was very good. But
Yeah, I didn't know any of that stuff. And my friend approached me in 2017. I'm sorry, 2013, and I was big into because I'd been trading for a long time. So I was at that time I was really into.
You already had your book by then?
Yeah, I heard my book. Oh yeah. He was like one of the first people to bought it. So I was really heavily into Forex and options. Like that was like I didn't even do crypto. I didn't even know what crypto was. And he came up to me in 2013 and he was like, "Hey, you should get involved in crypto." I'm like, "Fuck's crypto, dude?" And I was like, "Nah, that shit's fake, dude." And he was like, "Oh man, it's not fake, dude." I'm like, "It's fake, dude. Leave me alone. Let me just do my Forex." And he was like, "All right." And then I remember telling him, I go, "So what are you going to buy with this fake money? You going to buy some fake stuff?" I was tearing him up, dude. In 2013, I didn't even think Bitcoin was $100. And that's it. I laughed at him. In 2017 is when I actually got involved. And I remember I was like, fuck, dude. Why the hell didn't I get involved in 2013? I didn't even think XRP existed. It might have. I don't even know. If it did, it wasn't even a penny. I didn't even know. I didn't know nothing. Like most people, I had nothing. But I was closed-minded, stubborn-ass motherfucker, dude. It was so big into the financial markets the old way that I, like most financial advisors, crypto sucks. That was me. Crypto fucking sucks. Then when I learned about it, I got in it, and I bought a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I bought massive. And the mining machines, we had that all rolling. And then
oh yeah,
and then Woo token. You know what happened with Woo token?
Don't mention about. I guess that token. No, please stop. I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna ask about XRP. I mean,
sure.
Why XRP among all of those crypto? What got you interested with XRP? You have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, and why is it that there is a huge following with XRP? Even now, I don't see much movement with XRP compared to other coins. You got?
Well, that's a myth. That's a myth because I was doing the live show yesterday. And in the last 3 months, XRP is up over 20%. It's the number one of all my stuff on my watch list. It's up more than any crypto in the last 3 months, up 20%. So the fact that it doesn't move, that's a super myth. Super myth. People think it doesn't move because it's around that 50, but it's bullshit. It's bullshit. It's actually outperforming Bitcoin by a ton in the last 3 months. So yes, it does move. Now, what pisses me and probably everybody else in XRP off is in the last bull run in 21, XRP was the only coin, well, not the only, I don't think Stellar Lumens did, but one of the only coins that didn't break to an all-time high. Everything else did. XRP did not. And that pissed a lot of people off, including me. Now, granted, the SEC, they were suing Ripple at the time, so that's probably the reason why it didn't. We don't know for a fact, but we believe that's it. But that's why everybody's pissed. But the fact that when people say XRP ain't moving, bullshit. It's up 20% in 3 months, and it has destroyed Bitcoin, who's only up like 5% in 3 months. So it does move.
But why XRP? What's in XRP?
So I'll tell you why I got an XRP, because I didn't know shit about nothing. I remember my buddy, he was talking to me about Mana, right? I think it was Mana. One of those privacy coins, I think. I didn't know shit. And then I was like, well, how do you buy that stuff? I didn't know how to buy it. So it was Binance. So then they showed me Binance. So that's why I think I bought my first one. And then I honestly think I was watching YouTube trying to learn about it. And I believe that there was a YouTuber that popped up, and they were XRP like heavy. They didn't even know what XRP was, so I just started listening to them, and I was like, all right. And I looked at the price, like cheap. I think it was like, I don't even know, 12 cents maybe, somewhere around. It was cheap. I was like, fuck it, it's cheap. I don't care. I'm just gonna buy if it's cheap, and if it goes up, well, fucking great. And then I kept watching these channels, man, and they were really going into the fundamentals. So I was like, all right. So I just started believing in it based on the other YouTubers out there that I was watching, and it was cheap, and I didn't give a shit. I was
Cheap.
buying everything,
When you
bro.
say cheap, how much?
Like 12 cents, something like that.
Shiba Inu's cheap,
Well, yeah, she was cheap.
but
I was fucking buying everything, bro.
Mm.
I didn't even know what any of them was. I went on a psychotic spree. I had lots of money because I was in my insurance, right?
That was when?
This was in 2017 and 2018.
Oh wow!
I went on a psychotic spree, dude. That's my lot.
You went into a shopping spree.
You have no idea. I was popping in like $10,000-$20,000 a week into crypto. A week.
Oh wow!
A week. I put like a lot. I put hundreds of thousands of dollars. I had so much money, and I was like, fuck, this is awesome. I was learning about it. So I was just moving money out of my stock portfolio. Fucking buying, I'd be transferring money out of my Ameritrade account, fucking buying. I went crazy. I had a lot. 28 Bitcoin.
Wait. So, Ameritrade, stocks, into crypto.
Yeah.
That mindset, is that a trader mindset or an investor mindset?
No, I wanted to buy some shit because I thought it was cheap.
All right.
I invested. I wasn't trading.
It was an investor
I was
mindset.
literally just buying it because everybody was saying that shit was cheap.
Right.
So I believe it.
So going back to XRP.
Yeah. So that's why I got into XRP. I started learning about it through the other YouTube channels because I didn't know shit, man. But I learned fast. And again, at the end of the day, I don't. Everybody's so caught up on these fundamentals. I mean, come on, I don't give a fuck.
Why do you think that XRP, or should I say the Ripple company, because those two things are different, am I right?
Yeah.
Because most of the time people think, oh, XRP, Ripple is the same.
It's not the same.
Yeah. How come it's on the target by the SEC, the Ripple?
Well, it was, because it's over now.
Yes, it is.
But, you know, we think that they were in bed with a lot of the people from Ethereum Foundation. They were in cahoots, like Ethereum was paying them money under the table. And Ethereum, I mean, we don't know that. The people with Ethereum, I think they said they were scared of XRP because of its scalability, how fast it was. And they had overtaken Ethereum in 2021. I think it was not 2021, but somewhere around that time. I can't remember, but I know it overtook Ethereum. It was number 2 in market cap. So they did it on purpose, man, to in my opinion, I don't know, to bring it down, man. And that's why they attacked it. They went after Ripple because Ripple, I don't know, man, getting too big, I guess. And they witch hunted those motherfuckers, dude.
That could be a use case for XRP. I mean, that's where the trust is with the XRP, I guess. Because of that, it went fast, second to Ethereum.
It passed Ethereum, yeah.
Past Ethereum.
It did.
And there's trust on that. People are buying much with XRP.
And it's cheap, right?
And it's cheap.
I mean, at the end of the day,
because Ethereum cost a lot, transaction fees. Back in the day.
If you use it, right? I don't buy shit with Ethereum.
Right.
I don't buy shit with XRP. I'm just buying it as an investment. I do trade it, but honestly, with crypto, when I think it's a good buy, I'll buy it, and I'll just hold on to that motherfucker. But I do like XRP. It's actually my favorite and number 1 coin not because I'm married to it, but because back in the days, I put more money into it than everything else. So it's my biggest one because I have the most money in it, period. Once this bull run comes, and it better come soon, I'm going to sell almost every fucking crypto I own. I'll be honest with you. All of it, I'll sell it.
You said this bull run, is there a bull run coming?
We hope so. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
You've been in crypto a long time, more than me. What do you think?
I
Do you think the bull run's going?
market cycles, right? It's
I
what
mean,
is it the fourth cycle, right?
it's the time.
It's a time.
It better happen.
Yeah, it's a long winter.
It's a long winter. See, like, it's funny because trading, like, yeah, I trade it, but in reality, first of all, nobody knows nothing. I want this bull run to hit. I hope it does. I mean, look, XRP hasn't done shit. It was starting to move before this SEC law. Like, it was starting to move. And then it slapped it down, right? So it was suppressed for a long time. And then 2021, it only got to like $2 and something, probably because SEC smacked it down. But I hope this bull run's coming soon, because I'm telling you right now, when it comes, I'm dumping everything. What I'll probably do, I mean, I'm going to go on a selling spree. But I will probably hold some XRP, small amount, just to see if it ever really does hit triple digits.
Right.
Why not?
Because that will be for the next bull cycle.
Or a couple bull cycles, right?
Couple bull cycles, enough to get you a jet plane,
Yeah.
or a rocket ship to the Mars.
I mean, you got crypto as well. You're hoping that same shit happens for you. It ain't me. I mean, what do you think? You look at the charts every single day. What do you think?
I stopped looking at the charts.
Why?
Because what I'm thinking is I'll start looking at it if I hear the news that it hit the all-time high.
Right.
That's my thing now. Just a few months ago, I keep on looking at charts. Okay, because I want to trade, doing the pair to increase my crypto.
Pairs trading, yeah.
Yeah, pairs trade. But I got frustrated, bro. So I would rather have it once it hits the all-time high. Now it's time to look at the chart,
Right.
start doing my trade, because all-time high, you get those sudden dips,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
So okay, all-time high, start to sell for my crypto trade, crypto pair rather,
Right.
and then short sell, then buy again. So that's my strategy, though.
You haven't even looked hard at the chart, because
No.
again, the reality is
No.
you, like almost everybody else, you're pissed off,
Oh,
depressed and shit. Dude. I get it, dude. Fucking, I'm fucking depressed about. I've been holding this shit since 2017. Yes, I have sold some short-term stuff, but my long-term stuff, that shit's been in my cold storage for like a decade. Not a decade, but a long time.
I guess a lot are, I don't know, maybe it's a mixed feeling. Depressed
Yeah.
because you want to start make money,
Yeah.
but you're excited because you know that the bull run is coming.
Yeah.
But it's the anticipation, I guess,
Right. That keeps you going.
that keeps you going. Like,
And we know we feel we're close.
it's kind of a mixed feeling. Like,
Right.
when will it come?
And I think we're close. I mean, again, look, here's the deal. Bitcoin, last time I checked, I did not check today, was a little bit over 63,000. So let's not kid ourselves. That's a lot. That's a lot. A couple months ago, Bitcoin was in like 40-some thousand, and now it's 60-something. So it's moving. But until it actually breaks to an all-time high,
It's 70.
it's got to break that 73, I
You got
think,
73. Yeah.
and hold it. Once it does that, it's gone. Now, the good news is the S&P 500 broke to all-time high 2 days ago or yesterday. It was either yesterday or the day before.
Yeah. That's significant.
Yeah, no, it's very significant.
It's significant. Plus,
Yes.
gold broke yesterday.
Gold has been going up for months and months and months.
3,000.
Yeah, yeah, it is. So if you just try to look at the inner market like relationship, S&P 500 broke to an all-time high recently, which is good. Russell 2000 has not done so yet, but it's right there. So small caps, that's good. Small caps are, people invest in small caps when they feel good, when the economy's booming, when they think there's going to be a run because they have bigger gains. So it hasn't done so yet. The Dow Jones broke to an all-time high.
Okay.
So if it follows in suit, Bitcoin hasn't. It did break, but it dropped back down. I mean, break and hold. Because the S&P could fall over next week. But if it holds, Bitcoin breaks, it's going to run. Then we need Ethereum to catch up. Ethereum's been a dog. Ethereum on my main watch list is down the most in the last 6 months, like 20 to 30%. It's been getting its ass whooped. Ethereum's going to have to pump to an all-time high.
But it's always like that. Bitcoin first, then Ethereum follow.
Yeah, and then usually the rest.
And then the rest, altcoins.
But XRP actually has been, like I said, it's been leading all of them. It's closer to the all-time high. But again,
it's turtle.
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle.
It's a fucking turtle.
Slow and steady. And you're right on that. It walks under the radar. So most people would say, oh, it doesn't really move at all.
Yeah.
It's really slow. It's like nothing. It doesn't move. But it walks under the radar.
It's 20% in the last 3 months. It's the number one performer. Period. Now, again, go ahead.
Yeah, S&P 500 broke. I'm a layman. I don't know anything about that.
Right.
Or I know something, but could you explain more on that? What does that mean for a common person?
Well, stocks are...
if it broke on that level, what does that mean towards in the economy or in a trade?
Okay, so whenever you break out and it is all-time high, it enters what's called price discovery. There's no ceiling. We don't know how high it can go. Whenever it's still down here, you have resistance levels. You know about resistance levels.
Right.
When you break to an all-time high, there's no resistance. So it's like nobody knows how far it's going to go before it pulls back because there's nothing. It's like blue skies. You're in an airplane and you're flying and there's fucking blue skies. You're like, fuck, dude, where am I going to go? Shit, I'll just go until the sky's fucking not blue anymore. We don't know. That's significant. It's psychological, man. I've been in the market for 25 years. Financial advisor, all my securities license, managed over $100 million portfolio. And it's psychological, man. S&P 500 is the 500 biggest companies in the world. Right? It represents the United States economy. So people, whether it's, again, people think the economy is doing well, but they're also printing a lot of money, right?
Right.
So it's an illusion. Who cares? It's going up, psychological. And in the past, the stock market and the crypto market hasn't taken off without the performance of the stock market. And if this breakout is an indication, hopefully we get our run pretty soon. Then I'm going to sell all that shit.
Is the crypto market directly proportional or inversely proportional with S&P 500?
It's not inversely. That's the opposite. It's with it. It's correlated.
It's correlated,
yeah,
right?
It's correlated. I mean, nothing's 100%, but yeah, it's correlated. Again, based on what I know.
Yeah.
You have to understand, I've only been studying crypto since 2017.
So if this S&P 500 goes up, you would expect this
That's
one.
the way it's been. We would expect, yeah. Just like the bond market, right? I invest in the bond market as well. The bond market is the inverse to the S&P. Usually. That's the correlation. It's inverse. So when people are scared and they want safety, they invest in bonds. If they're afraid the market's going to crash, they move their money from risky assets into non-risky, the bond market. So it's inverse, right? Again, that's just a little thing, because we manage money for a long time. But crypto is more of a risk on, they call it. Risk on asset. People buy crypto when they think things are going well. When things are going bad, they're scared. That's why these swings are so big. Right? People say, "Oh, the crypto market's so volatile," right? Because again, it goes up, yeah, huge. It's because it's a risky asset. But the good news is for us, you, and everybody else who's in it, hey, if it goes up, it's going to go up a lot.
Yep.
But to me, and again, I'm no expert on crypto. I've only been in it since 2017. There's a lot of people way before me. So I just started studying. And you have to understand, I don't care too much about the fundamentals of crypto. Actually, I don't give a shit about the fundamentals of crypto. I'm a technical guy. So I just look at charts and try to read it. But, you know, well, I shouldn't say I don't give a shit because XRP, I'm in XRP, you know, because it's fundamentals, Cardano, Stellar Lumen. So I do care about the fundamentals, but that's not controlling my decision on what I do 100%.
Looking at the charts,
Yeah.
monthly, do you look at it monthly, weekly, or what?
Daily and weekly. I look at the weekly chart, but I look at every day. I even do a market wrap-up show, not every day, but almost every day. Don't get a lot of views, but it's fucking good information. The people actually watched it, shit. But I look at the charts all the time, man. I like looking at the daily charts, and I'll go to the week also, see who's underperforming extensively, like XRP on the week. So Bitcoin's way up here on the week. You know, it's close to its all-time high. XRP's still way down here, even though it's outperforming in the last 3 months. Over the last several years, it has been a dog.
There's a big difference.
Oh God, it's been a fucking dog.
Talking about S&P 500,
yeah,
you're looking at it almost daily, right?
No, I trade the options.
Okay.
I look at it every day.
Yeah, you're looking at
I day trade the S&P 500 every single day on my YouTube channel. Every day. Every day.
Okay.
And then I option trade.
So how do you do that? Every day you wake up. What's your routine? What's your process?
So I wake up really early. I wake up around 4 o'clock in the morning, and I look at the crypto market.
4 in the morning?
Every day. Even today, I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
It's a Saturday, dude.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm always thinking about this stuff. So I look at the crypto market, and you know, I just map out different things. I look at it long term. If there's good opportunities, I buy longer term or trade. It's fine. I don't either way. So I do that every morning because after that, I take kids to school, all that good stuff. Then I come back at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I day trade the S&P 500 every day, and I do it live on the channel. And I have a private university where I have students. We day trade every day, S&P 500 for an hour and 15 minutes. Bam, and I'm the futures man, and I'm at it. And then after that, I swing trade options. So I teach option class.
Take me through the process when you do your trading. So is it New York Stock Exchange? I don't know. I'm ignorant.
No, that's fine.
So just take me through the process. Like ding, 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 ding. Okay, it's time to trade.
Yeah, so
what happens?
I have certain setups I look for. I look at I look at the 3-minute time frame. So I'm looking at the 3-minute time frame, but I trade on the 1 minute as well. So I'm looking at the 1 minute chart and the 3 minute.
What time does the trade open?
8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.
8:30.
Yeah, that's when the market opens.
And what do you use? What trading platform?
I trade with Thinkorswim platform. It was TD Ameritrade. Now it's Charles Schwab.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's who I use. But I mean, there's a lot of people that use other ones like Click Futures or Ninja Trader. It doesn't matter. Now, I have 2 screens, right? I have multiple screens, but for day trading, I have 2 screens. I look at my Thinkorswim platform, like on one screen, where I'm looking at the S&P futures. And then on my other screen, I have my broker, where I'm actually buying and selling. So I'm watching one screen, and I'm buying and selling over here based on what's happening. But I teach it. I have a lot of students. I've been trading the S&P 500 day trading for 5 years straight, every day for 5 years, just the S&P.
So your students,
I'm a master at S&P.
When you do that, your students are there.
Yes, they're trading with me, and they're watching, and they're listening to me.
So when you execute your trades,
they're right there.
So does your students.
And I tell them, all right, guys, this is what we're going to buy. Oh, I'm in the trade. Oh, I'm out of the trade. Oh, I'm taking profit.
So when you take the trade, they also take the trade if they want to.
If they want. Yeah. I tell them, look, this is an aggressive setup, or this is the basic setup, or
Uh-huh.
this is the advanced setup. I'm going to enter right here. Okay, I'm in the trade. And then I'm like, oh, okay, I'm taking profit. Okay, I'm staying in the trade, or no, I'm getting out. Everything. I teach it.
Nice.
I've got a course
Mm.
that I give them. So when people sign up for the university, they get the course for free right now. It goes through all that. So that way when they come in the room, I don't have to keep explaining shit. It's like, just watch the fucking videos. Come in the room, watch me trade, ask questions on what we're doing, because I'm trading real money. Right? I'm looking to make $1,000 to $2,000 every
Nice,
day.
nice. I remember back in the day, for example, on my profession,
Yeah.
we call that uh, either internship, apprenticeship, or mentorship.
Yeah.
So we would go rounds on our specialists.
Right?
We have our surgeon or what. It's a one-to-one, and he performs the surgery. We would assist them, and then we would look at how he does performs the surgery,
Right.
and then after a couple of surgeries, he would ask us to do the surgery
Oh,
itself,
really?
and then he will be there. It will be changed roles. It'll be him assisting
And
and
you doing a
us
surgery.
do the surgery. So I see that like you're the surgeon and we're there as students
Yeah.
watching you perform, execute the trades.
Down to the 1 minute chart, bro.
Yeah, and then when you start the entry, we learn,
Yeah.
but we gain because we also execute
Right.
do the trades itself.
Yeah, yesterday I made 60%. The day before,
Wow.
20%. The other day, 17%. And so, my whole thing is, I don't tell people buy or sell because I can't like legally anymore. But I tell them I'm buying. Like, hey, I'm buying. I'm in, or I'm gonna get in right here. And I talk constantly about what I'm doing. But the students, we have a private WebEx for people who are part of the school.
Mm.
We have a WebEx. So I'm streaming live on YouTube.
Mm.
But they're asking questions in the WebEx. So I tell them I'm in the trade. But hey, if you don't know why I did it, why I got in,
Mm.
type your question in the WebEx so I can answer you. Or if I say, all right, this was a fake out.
Right.
Hey guys, don't get in. That was a fake out. And they're like, what the fuck? Why? Type it in. Why was this a fake out? And then I'll reply in the chat why it was a fake out. Because the S&P 500 it does that. It's
So this is a different school because if you're in a university,
yeah,
or like university, like traditional school,
yeah,
it's all blackboard, blah blah blah. That's it.
that's it.
The teacher's not earning
Right,
because it's all lecture.
right.
What you're doing is really you're teaching them, and you're still earning.
My number one priority is my own money. Period.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I
So-
do this for a living every day.
Even if you don't have any students,
I'm gonna do it every day.
you're making money.
It's my number one priority.
Even if nobody's watching you on
I don't
YouTube,
care. I'm a professional trader. That's my job.
you're earning money.
That's my job. I left the insurance world. I was a financial advisor. Been in the business for 25 years. I was the number one agent in the United States of America. Made over $9 million in my career insurance. And I left it. Now I trade full-time professionally. I don't give a shit if I have people watching me or not. That's what I do every day. My job is to replace and make a full-time income day trading and option swing trading. And that's what I teach people how to do that want to do it. I don't care if any of them do it because it doesn't matter to me. I'm still going to do it whether they do it or, like, for example, let's just say I know you're not, but let's just say you're like, I don't want to learn how to trade. I don't give a fuck. I think I give a shit if you learn how to trade, you want to trade, because guess what? It doesn't do anything to me. I'm still going to trade whether you like it or not. I could care less. Now, if you come to me and you're like, fuck, I want to make some money. Let's do this. And you commit, yeah, I'll teach you. But I don't care. I do my YouTube channel for people that want to learn. If they don't, go watch somebody else. I don't give a flying fuck. Because at the end of the day, I'm here to make fucking money.
Right.
And you or nobody else, you ain't going to get my way. The FBI tried to get my way, but they conceded because, they wrongfully accused me. I'm not going to go there, so don't ask that because I talked about it. But they tried, and they failed. And if the FBI failed to get me, what makes you think, you, and I'm not saying you because you're not like that. But at the end of the day, that's what I do every day. I trade. I day trade. My first part of my day is I do crypto in the morning, and then I day trade futures in the morning.
Right.
I option swing trade. Okay, so I'm trying to profit from the swings of like Apple, Nvidia, Coinbase, the S&P. I try to, if I think it's low and it'll go up in the next 2 days, I'll buy it and sell it. I teach people how to do that. I've been doing that for 25 years, man, or 17 years on the trading.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Here's a common question among those who don't trade but interested in trading.
Yeah.
Do I have to sit on the chair and watch the screen 24/7
No,
if you trade?
no. If you day trade, there's two different. If you day trade, you need to be at the screen, but I'm only there for an hour and 15 minutes. That's all I day trade every day. Hour, 15 minutes, I'm done no matter what. Now, if I'm in a trade and my time's up, I'll stay in that trade until I exit, but that's it. Swing trading options, you can do it in 1 hour a day. You can make a full-time income in 1 hour a day. People tell me all the time, well, I got a full-time job, I can't do it. So what? When I started trading, I had a full-time job too. I was taught how to trade with a full-time job. I didn't look at the market during the day. I was taught how to look at the market at night when the market was closed. So if you got 1 hour a day, and that can be at night, you can full-time trade.
Yeah, because the second question is, do I have to leave my job, my full-time job, to earn and be a trader?
I was making $20,000 a month trading with a full-time job. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, my mentor made over $700 million trading in 1 hour a day.
So I don't have to, I could keep my work
100%.
and start learning how to trade.
100%.
What's the difference between doing options and doing crypto trading?
Options are derivatives of stocks.
Yeah.
So
in terms of,
yeah, I'm gonna get there.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, for example, let's just say Ethereum. You could buy Ethereum, right? You could just buy it and hold it, or you can do what's called leverage trade, right? There's people out there that leverage trade crypto. So leverage means they're borrowing money to trade it. It's not really their money. They're trading it on leverage, so the returns are big. They don't really own the asset. They're borrowing money to trade the asset. Which means if it goes down, they can lose more money than they got. Right? If it goes up, they can make a lot.
Zero.
They can lose more than fucking zero. They can owe it.
They can owe a lot.
Yeah. So, but my point is, they call it leverage trading. So options, you can think of it as a way to leverage the stock. For example, let's say you like Nvidia. Nvidia is pretty expensive, right? $100-something a share. If you don't have a lot of money, you buy the stock, it's like a dinosaur. It goes up, that's fine. You can make a lot of money in stocks if you got a lot of money. So people with a smaller portfolio will say, look, I don't got enough money to buy the stock, but I want to leverage the power of the stock through options. So you can take a smaller portfolio and, buy, again, it's an option contract where you control the shares without owning them. So you want to think of options like leveraging. So it's a leverage trading the stock, smaller. If you got a lot of money, just buy stock, man, and hold it, and you'll get rich, like so rich you can't even imagine. But if you got a smaller portfolio, 10, 20, 30,000 bucks, and you want to double it, triple it, quadruple it, you can trade options. It's got to be good. But I teach options. I've been doing that for 17 years. I love option trading. It actually was, probably my number one until I got really good at the S&P futures. Now I'm pretty great at both.
If I got $1,000 to,
you can trade options, yeah.
To do something.
Option trade, yeah.
Play money.
Option trade.
Options.
Yeah.
Where does crypto come in?
Crypto doesn't come in. That's the options or stocks. So crypto doesn't come in at all.
For 1,000.
Yeah, because you can't trade options yet on crypto. If we could trade options on crypto, fuck. Oh my God, it would be game over. I know so many option strategies, but I can't do it on crypto because you can't do options on crypto.
Stupid question. I got 1,000. Can I give it to you and trade it for me?
No. But I don't do that anymore. Yeah, I don't do that anymore. I used to. But what I do is, you got $1,000, I teach people how to grow their own money. People ask me all the time, what do you do? Well, I trade the stock market, and I teach people how to make money in the stock market. Now, the stock market consists of, it can be futures, it can be options, Now, I also tell people, I teach people how to make money in the stock market and the crypto. But with the crypto right now, I'm more of a buy and hold type of guy. I don't want to trade because people say, do you leverage trade crypto? I don't need to because I leverage trade stocks. It's funner for me. Boring to do that shit. I'd rather trade options like leverage stocks than crypto.
But buy and hold crypto, that means you're a hodler,
Yeah.
not an investor.
Well,
Or
what's
it's
the
all,
difference?
or that's the same.
Same to me. Same to you.
Same old, same old.
Hodler, you hold, you invest, you hold. Well, same to me. Yeah.
I hope this December would be a great December for us, bro.
Yeah, it fucking better, dude.
Right?
Been holding this bitch for a long time.
If crypto will be all-time high by December,
We're gonna be.
what happens?
I'm gonna be fucking rich.
25% of your portfolio goes to fiat, or 50% or 100%.
I'm gonna cash out almost every single bit of crypto I own in this bull run. Almost every bit. People ask you why? Because I want money, first of all, but second of all, you can always get back in. That's stupid. Sell, and then when it goes back in the bear market, you can take that money and get back in. Like, what the fuck, dude? That's the dumb mistake I made in 21. I didn't sell when my portfolio was massive, and I watched it go from a lot
to almost
back down
nothing.
to shit, Harvey.
Almost nothing. Like,
they watched because that all happened to all them.
Shrink. Dehydrated like prunes.
Like in the corner crying like a little bitch. I was like, yes, dude. Every day I go to the gym and I'd be like, what the fuck, dude? And that's after I got a lot stolen, because people are like, wow, you got a lot stolen. Yeah, I did. 28 Bitcoin stolen, 1,000 Ethereum stolen, actually 5,000 Ethereum, 1,000 Litecoin.
I remember those days, bro. At 21, like, I was every time I drive, I'm smiling.
Yeah.
My wife doesn't know why I'm so happy.
They don't understand it.
They don't understand. Oh man, I'm driving because I was looking at my crypto wallet.
Yeah, it's fucking fat.
Damn, this is badass. But I see it slowly shrinking. I said, it'll still come up. Don't worry about it. Shrinking and shrinking. Then looks like it's like a big beef. Then suddenly it comes out like a beef jerky.
Exactly. The problem was everybody on fucking YouTube was talking about Bitcoin was going to 1 million, and my dumb ass was listening to them. Bitcoin's going to 1 million. Okay, if Bitcoin's going to 1 million, you know why?
Even 100,000. I was thinking 100,000.
I'm going to tell you why deep down, and maybe somebody can relate to this. Because people say, why didn't you sell? This is just me, and I bet you there's a lot of people that thought this way. I don't think I sold because I was so pissed off that XRP wasn't breaking to an all-time high, and I just assumed everything was going to continue to go higher because XRP hadn't broke out yet. And I think that's what a lot of people did. If XRP would have broke to an all-time high and taken off, I think I would have sold, but I think I let the trap of XRP cloud me away from selling everything else.
My mindset was different. I thought the all-time high during that time wasn't 70, it was 100.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Because if it reached 100, that was my time to sell. So I was expecting 100. Then when it reached 100, I'm going to sell 100%.
Yeah.
So I was waiting for 100 because my sell was on 100.
Yeah.
I already put my sell order on that amount.
You had it 100?
100.
I think a lot of people are thinking that.
And then it went kapoots.
It did. But it's back up, you know. It's back up. 63,000 ain't no joke. We're close, man. I feel it. Again, do I know? Fuck no, I don't know, dude. I just buy it, shit, hold it. Now, I can look at charts like everybody else. I've been doing charts longer. I'm probably like almost every one of those YouTubers out there, like 17 years. Some of those motherfuckers are barely over 17 years old. And I've been in the financial world for a long time. But I can look at charts. And based on what I did the other day, Bitcoin breaks an all-time high. I'm looking at it going to about 120. If we break and hold, my target's 120,000.
120.
Yeah.
Now, talking about charts.
Yeah.
You have doji candles, right?
Yeah, doji. Yeah.
Is it doji?
Yeah, it's doji. Yeah.
Doji candles,
I just
right?
like the way you said it. You're like doji. Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Japanese. It's not fucking doji. What are we talking? You got Japanese candles.
Japanese candles.
Still doji. I guess same there. I didn't.
It's the
Doji
same,
Japanese.
right?
I don't know. Either way, it doesn't matter.
Then you
Japanese.
have Japanese, because there's several Japanese candles, bro.
There's
That's-
Hakanashi.
Because that's where I'm heading to.
Yeah.
So you got doji, then you got hakanashi. The doji candles,
Japanese candlesticks, and you have Hakanashi.
hakanashi.
Yeah.
Hakanashi has lesser noise,
Correct.
but there's one that's lesser.
I don't know. I only look at. I look
Renko,
at Renko. Yeah.
Renko.
I don't look at those, but yeah.
But
yeah.
Renko has, and it doesn't even have those time frames
Probably.
with Renko. Now,
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you? Most of the time, I see you using hakanashi.
No, I use Japanese.
Okay, so tell me about Japanese.
What do you want to know?
Why do you use that?
I just like it.
Huh?
I just like it.
Okay,
That's it.
that's
Man,
it.
When I learned, it was on Japanese, so that's what I use.
That was it.
Yeah.
So what?
And I know the patterns really well.
On the charts,
Yeah.
what are the different indicators that you use? You use
So-
Japanese or what? Yeah, what do you use there?
So when I day trade, I don't use any indicators.
All right.
I'm a price action, strictly price. Options, I use TTM squeeze.
Mm.
Okay, it's a volatility indicator. I also use the Forecast Pro. It's my indicator. I created it. Forecast Pro, it's got momentum. It also kind of works like an RSI, oversold, overbought. That's awesome. Those are the two that I use for option trading. Sometimes I use the Radium Fire Pro, but my Forecast Pro is better. So TTM Squeeze, Forecast Pro. Crypto, in crypto, I have the TTM Squeeze on my charts and the Radium Fire Pro. And the reason why I have the Radium Fire Pro and not the Forecast Pro is my Forecast Pro is not for TradingView. I don't know how to code it to TradingView, so it's only coded for Thinkorswim. So on TradingView, which is where I look at crypto, I have to use the Radium Fire Pro. They're kind of similar because it can be coded.
Mm.
So that's the indicators that I use.
For crypto, you use TradingView,
Yes.
and your time frame is
I trade, trading on the daily. I don't day trade crypto. So, I swing trade crypto.
swing trade.
I might buy it and be in it for like 3-4 days, a week. I don't like to stare at the chart. I stare at the chart on the S&P 500. That's it. Other than that, I'm looking more like, I don't want to stare at it. Let me get in a trade, hold it for 3 or 4 days, try to get out. Maybe I'll go in there and put like 10 grand and try to make like 2 or 3 grand.
Favorite coins?
To trade, it's Ethereum.
Let me check. I gotta check
Yeah.
something.
To trade, it's Ethereum. Buy, well, fucking like a lot of shit. Are we still live? All right. Cool. Vertical format? All right, cool. So, coins. I buy a lot of shit, bro.
I got a question here. How do I get into options and how do they work?
So, options, there's a lot of brokers out there that do option trading. I trade with Charles Schwab. Used to be TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab. And that's who I use. They have a platform called Thinkorswim. You can download it for free. That's it. But there's other ones, TradeStation, there's NinjaTrade. I don't even know if NinjaTrade has options, but that's who I use. And you got, that's it. That's really it, right?
XRP will replace Bitcoin. That's what it said.
Hey, I would love that because if it did, I'd be richer than Elon Musk. Although Elon Musk probably secretly has hundreds of millions of XRP and not telling anyone.
You'll never know because he might also have bought a huge bag of
They all do.
XRP.
It's so fucking cheap. How can they not? Even Donald Trump probably has a lot of XRP. He doesn't understand.
Ah,
He bought a hamburger the other day in Bitcoin.
I know he did.
He went to the Bitcoin bar and bought a hamburger, which is pretty cool. I would never do that, but that's pretty cool.
He went there, bought some burgers and beers for for the people and
Yeah, that's a trip. Buy me some fucking beers. A
talk,
burger.
take some photos, even with the peppercoin.
Okay, was Bit Boy?
This
Dude,
boy,
Pepe and shit, dude. Fucking Bit Boy,
yeah.
midlife crisis.
There's a lot of like meme coins. What do you think about meme coins, bro?
I have two only. Doge and Shiba.
Doge and Shiba.
That's it. Because, I don't hate meme coins, but I have those two just because I got a big community, so I feel like I'm okay.
Mm.
I don't know. That's it. That's all the meme coins I got. Doge and Shiba. I know you got Shiba. We got Max over there. He has Shiba.
Max the
Shout out Shiba.
Max the Shiba guy.
I got a lot of Shiba. I didn't sell any to the last one like a retard. I should have sold. My buddy he had $1,000 in Shiba and he made $9,000. He made $9,000 on Shiba in the last run. He sold it, made $9,000. That's pretty good. I made zero because I didn't sell like an idiot.
There was this guy. He made millions.
I believe it.
In Shiba, and when he bought it, he just bought it for $1,000.
Did he?
Yeah, 1,000 or
Holy
10,000.
He put $1,000 in it.
Maybe 10,000.
Shit, I put $1,000 in Shiba.
So, yeah,
Wow.
he made millions.
You know, good for him, son of a bitch.
He went in early, and these are projects that were under the radar,
Right.
that nobody knows.
Really? Yeah, I didn't even know about Shiba until probably everybody else.
And maybe during the ICO, ICO stage, and it's hard to look at those projects like at the early stage if you have that first.
Why is it hard?
Huh?
Why is it hard for you?
Where can you find these kinds of projects?
So it's hard to find them.
Hard to find them.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Unless you are within the circle.
Within the circle, yeah.
Yeah.
I agree.
Like
they're more like penny stocks. I look at those projects more.
Like
I used to trade penny stocks. I fucking hate penny
even
stocks.
Ondo.
Ondo. Yeah, I like Ondo. I don't own Ondo, but I like Ondo. But it's not a penny stock. What penny stock? It's pretty. I think last time I checked, I can't remember exactly, but it was 70, 80 cents or something. I can't remember.
It was under the radar for quite some time. It was not even in Coinbase. Before it went to Coinbase, the price is way lower.
That's crazy.
Yep.
I like Ondo, to be honest with you. But I don't look at Ondo as a meme coin. I look at it as a utility. So I have no problem with Ondo. Again, look, man, I'm not a crypto expert. I've just been in it since 2017. So if somebody says, "Wow, that makes you an expert," hey, that's cool. That's all. I've been in the stock market since 1999.
Yeah. So, for me, can I learn trading?
You want?
If I don't have any background.
No.
Hey,
everybody starts with no background. Look, to me,
or like I'm first graduated from high school. Can I learn how to trade?
If they want to. I taught my son. He's 14.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't have any requirement from the government. Like, hey, you got to be this or this or what?
Yeah, I think you got to be 18. I mean, he's using like an account like this under my name. He's not doing a lot. I just taught him, but yeah.
I got a question, by the way.
Sure.
What taxes in crypto?
I ain't gonna do tax advice. I'm not an accountant.
Yeah.
Go ask your accountant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because when you sell your crypto, what happens?
I'm not gonna give tax advice.
You got to go to your accountant.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Yep.
Even your options trading, you got to go to your tax.
I don't look, man. I don't give tax advice.
Yep.
Everybody's situation is different. Some people might have LLCs. Some people might be trading out of corporations. Whatever. I don't care. I don't give a shit, dude. I don't care about us managing my own money. Teaching people how to do it. As far as what they do with their taxes, go to their own accountant, man. I got a good accountant. That's good enough for me. I mean, at the end of the day, my number one priority, obviously your family and all that, but let's say for work, okay? Forget work, is to trade. That's what I do. every single day, except and even Saturday and Sunday with crypto. But I trade.
Yeah.
And I focus on my money. I have a lot of students because they've committed because they want to learn how to make money. Cool. I teach them because they give a shit. But other than that, I don't care, man. I don't give a fuck. I don't care.
My number one priority is
Shiba.
Shiba.
I know it is. It'll tailing.
Now, it's paying my dues to the government,
Oh yeah.
right?
Yeah, I love that.
Give our dues to Uncle Sam.
Yeah. Definitely one of my favorite things.
It's like, right?
Yeah, exactly. Right? Yeah, non-profits.
Uh, give to Caesar what's due to Caesar.
What's new to Caesar?
Right? Because we don't want them knocking on our door, right?
The FBI was knocking on my door, little prick.
And then put some ankle, what do you call that? Ankle brace?
Yeah,
ankle,
I didn't get no ankle brace, thank God. I was in handcuffs though, ankle cuffs.
Oh man!
But when I got out, they didn't put an ankle brace. People are like, "What you got?" Yeah, I was federally wrongfully indicted. Yeah, wrongfully accused. You don't know what it's like unless that happens to you.
I know.
Wrongfully indicted by the FBI under false charges. It sucks, man. But anyway, that's over. Bottom line is,
Next week, what do you think? Bottom line, go ahead.
no, I was going to say, bottom line, we wake up every day, we do what we do, what we're passionate about and excited. I love to trade. I really get so excited. For people who come to the channel and they watch me trade, I do it live almost every day. Now, I trade live for my students every day, but I do almost live every day on the channel. For people who watch, which is not a lot because people are, I guess, off making money doing their own stuff, but I love it, man. And I get jacked up. I mean, I get fucking ripped because I love it.
Options.
Yeah.
And how long would it take when you do your live? How long would that be?
I do option trading. We start at about 10 a.m., 9:45, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time to 11 every day. Monday through Friday. Now, I don't go live on YouTube every day, but I'm in the school unless the market's closed or I'm out of town or I'm sick. I had a house fire, right? You know, my house, my dryer caught on fire Sunday. So Monday I didn't do class because I was too busy cleaning all the smoke out of the house. But for the most part, Monday through Friday, they log in at 8:30 a.m. and they log out at 11. About 2.5 hours of packed. And our job is to make a full-time income in those hours every day. So if you can trade 2.5 hours, you don't have to trade 2.5 hours. You just need an hour. But let's just say you're able to be there 2.5 hours. I have some people in there trying to make $2,000-$3,000 a week. That's what they're trying to do. I have some that just want to make $1,000 a week. That's fine. We have one guy that makes almost $5,000 a day. Everybody's different. I don't care. I don't tell people make this. I trade my shit. They trade whatever they do. I just teach them how to do it if they want to learn. But again, trading is a specialty, right? It's a skill. Not everybody wants to learn. I think a lot of people don't want to learn because they don't think they have the time. They're like, I have a job. So what? I had a fucking job. I always tell people, do you have 1 hour a day to look at your computer? Yeah? Then you can be a full-time trader.
But Jeff,
Yeah.
you said, you start your day, 8:30? That's the time.
That's my day trading.
That's the time where it opens.
Yes.
Then if you have a job,
Yeah.
8 to 10, how can you start doing your trade?
You can't day trade. If you have a full-time job, you're not a day trader. You're a swing trader, options. You do that at night after the market closes when your family goes to bed.
Okay.
Go home from your job, relax, work out, eat dinner with your family, enjoy it. They go to bed, go to your computer, hour a night, do your stuff, go to sleep.
Then that's swing trading.
Yes.
The best option for those who have work is swing trading, not day trading.
Unless they have an hour a day to where they don't, let's say some people don't go to work until 10 or 11.
Right.
And then they can do it. But 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 9:45 a.m. Central Standard. Let's say 10, just round it off. 8:30 to 10. So if they're able to be at home during that time, then they can do it. But if not, I don't. I would.
You
I
say
would
1 hour, right?
1 hour option swing trading.
Option swing trading.
Yeah. Two separate. Option swing trading is a different than day trading.
Okay. How long is day trading?
I might be in and out in less than 3 minutes or 9 minutes or 1 minute.
Doesn't take long though.
No. The other day, in the first 10 minutes, I made more than some people make in a week. In 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow.
So in 10 minutes, 12 grand. That's more than some people make in a week.
10 minutes, 12 grand.
Yeah. Yeah.
For example, I'm going to say this again. This is again a stupid question. I have 1 grand. If I swing trade 1 grand, how much would that make?
Swing trading is more if you're looking to collect weekly income. Trades last 3 to 5 days. So you can take 1,000, try to make $300 or $400 a week. Yeah.
Not bad.
Oh, it's like 30-40%. Yeah. Day trading, different. Day trading, you're in and out quick. You don't go to the bathroom, right? You make sure you go to the bathroom before you sit down to trade.
So
Yeah.
it's like, hey Jeff, I got 1,000 right now.
Right.
Hey, can you let me know if we're gonna do a swing trade? Text message me.
No, I don't text message you. I teach my students how to do it. I teach my students how to make their own decisions on when to buy and sell.
To swing trade.
Yeah.
When to buy and sell.
Yeah, I teach people how to do that.
Right. Right.
I'm not going to feed you this and that. What good is that to you? I'm not a signal service. I'm going to teach you how to trade service. People come to me, you send me a text message, I'm going to send you a fucking text message. What I'm going to do is teach you how to do it. I'll post alerts in our group, but these alerts are setups, things to look for.
Right. Right.
If I'm an instructor, what good is me feeding you a bunch of information?
I won't learn.
Exactly. My job as an instructor is to teach you how to trade if you want to teach you how to make decisions. So if something happens to me, you can still do it every day for the rest of your life.
Right. Teach them how to fish.
Exactly. Not give them a fish.
And that's in the WhatsApp.
I have several. I have courses and live coaching classes, right? When people buy my options course, they get access to my WhatsApp group where they can ask questions about the course.
Right.
They can join the coaching if they pay extra, that's where I'm doing it every day. I also, as part of the coaching, they can day trade the futures if they want. And then I give them my futures course if they're part of the live coaching. So I've got in every single video of every channel here on YouTube in the description, except this one because we're live, all the information's there. And they can always email me. Because again, I don't chase after people. You have to understand. If they want to learn to trade, that's their own business. I'm going to make money whether they learn how to trade or not. Because my number one priority is me. My number two priority is work-wise. Okay, my family's always number one, but work-wise, it's me. Second, it's my students. You know why? Because they've committed to me, and they commit to me. I'm going to teach them how to fucking do it, and I'm not going to stop until they're good.
Until they learn.
You better believe it. Skill, man.
Not them being dependent to you.
No way. What good does that do them?
Rather, them learn and stop being dependent.
Yeah.
And leave your academy in a way that they know how to trade themselves.
100%.
Am I correct on that?
Yeah, absolutely. Man, again, I love it. I love teaching people, man. And my strategies are fucking awesome. My day trading strategy is awesome.
Because in actuality, you don't need this teaching thing.
No way. I make more money trading.
Am I correct?
Yeah, I don't need that.
Yeah, you don't need the university.
No, I do it because I like it.
You do teaching because you enjoy doing it.
That's it.
Right?
My number one priority is trading my own money, right? Taking my portfolio and growing it.
You know how it is like, it is really boring just staying in one place on your room, doing that stuff by yourself. Self.
That's another reason why I enjoy teaching. Is that I feel like I like talking. It keeps me busy, right? It keeps me entertained and sitting there by myself. That's fucking boring. Fucking, oh God. That's another reason why I love teaching, because it keeps me from being insane, just like looking at the screen. Fucking boring by yourself.
Right.
That's why I go live all the time. Why do you think I go live all the time on this channel? I go live all the time on this channel because I'm fucking bored. First of all, I'm looking at the market anyway, so I have a choice. I can look at the market by myself in quiet, or I can just flip up the live and talk whoever wants to listen, because I'm doing it anyway.
Right.
So I go live on the channel so I don't just sit there and go get so bored. I don't care if they watch or not. I want them to watch because, hey, it's fun as shit. But if they don't, I don't give a fuck. I'm just talking so I don't fucking sit there at the screen and that's it. I got the YouTube channel because, look, man, we're redoing everything. You know, you're part of this channel. You know, your specialty, my specialty, but I'm switching gears, man. My channel now on is teaching. It's all about trading, and I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos on to teach people how to, and I'm going to give them a lot of shit that would normally pay for elsewhere. Because I look at it like, hey, if you want to come to this channel, you want to learn how to fucking trade, let's go to work. If you don't, no offense, go watch BitBoy. Or a fucking digital asset investor. That son of a bitch always trying to sell us shit, dude. We're doing my fucking group. Fucking Bradley Cons and join my private group.
Yeah, we got people watching right now, and I guess we appreciate you guys for being here.
Of course, man. I mean, hey, look, dude, that's the only reason I'm here. You guys are hanging out. I love it, man. I love this shit, dude. I'm trying to get rich like all you guys.
We see your comments, and we appreciate you guys.
Fuck yeah, dude.
And
you guys are the best. If you're here right now, you're the fucking best.
Yep, and we'd love to see you next week.
Yeah.
You'll still be here.
We're gonna do this more often.
Yeah.
We're gonna probably do this every couple days. This is great. I love this podcast show. If not, definitely once a week.
Once a week.
But again, there's a lot of dead time throughout the day. I like doing this because I would rather have this podcast chatting than just sitting and being bored.
Yep.
Right?
And we would love you. We would love to have your comments, and we'll try to answer it, or
see if we have any comments.
We could have some conversation.
Yeah, see if we have any more comments.
Sure. You could go to your phone.
Shit. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Why don't you go to your phone?
Never thought about that. See?
And
fucking trading,
see if you got comments there rather than me going back.
Right. I didn't think about that.
If there's none, then we can wrap it up.
Yeah, if not, we're done.
And we are here at the Embassy Suites, where our boy Max, the Shiba Inu guy.
Max is the best, dude. The phone's not working.
I just don't. I hope I don't sound like Cackling Kamala.
Kamala? Wait.
Cackling Kamala.
Oh, fucking communist?
Kamala. Hey, you're disrespectful. Why? You don't pronounce her name right. What? Kamala? Camilla?
I can't pull it up, so either way, it doesn't matter.
Let me see.
Kamala?
Nope.
I don't know.
No, we don't. That's it.
All right. It just ended or what?
Not yet. I could edit.
Edit. Because we were live twice. So no.
That's it for now.
That's it for now.
We got one person who's watching.
What's up? It says we are live, but I can't pull it up. So
that's okay. Let's finish this up. Got a question for you.
What's up?
How do you fit or let 5 crocodiles ride inside a van?
How do I let 5 crocodiles ride inside a van?
Yep.
I don't know. How do you do that?
Huh?
How do you do that? How do you let 5 crocodiles ride inside a van?
First, open the door. Front door. Passenger side. Yeah. Let them in. Then the back door, right?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
How about elephants? 5 elephants
I don't
inside
know.
a van.
I don't know. How do you do it?
Open the door again.
I keep looking at this live. You sure we're live?
Yeah.
Hold on.
And then,
You were live on the right channel?
yeah,
Nah, you probably did, dude. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe we went live on the Shiba Inu channel.
yeah, we're
Oh, okay. All right, I think we can probably just kill it. All right. I don't see it, but I'm sure.